Every quilt tells a story, but today we'll focus on the border. The border is where that story steps into the world. Imagine borders as the quilt's final breath. They can softly whisper or boldly sing. Soft tones create calm, while vibrant colours energize. Borders shape the mood before seeing the center. Some quilters use mitered corners to create a seamless look. Others prefer piano keys for movement. And then there are stunning pieced borders, tiny masterpieces stitched block by block. But borders can be unconventional. Modern quilters embrace negative space, letting borders dissolve into the background. Art quilters might paint, dye, or layer mixed media. These borders transform into gallery pieces. Color plays a huge role in storytelling. A dark border anchors a quilt like an old photograph. A light border lifts the quilt, providing a soft glow. A scrappy border celebrates every fabric that shaped the quilt. Texture is also important. Adding prairie points creates dimension. Layered borders can stack color and pattern like chapters in a story. Each layer adds depth, intention, and personality. Remember, borders can break the rules. They can be asymmetrical or oversized. When you treat the border as art, explore and play. Surprise yourself. As you design your next quilt, pause before adding that final strip. What story does this border want to tell? The border can become the most memorable part. Ready to design artful borders? Join me in the next episode. We'll sketch, audition fabrics, and build borders that transform your quilt. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quilting tutorials.